Is it time to buy or sell the SQQQ exchange-traded fund? In this video, we will explore the SQQQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 5th of August, 2024, and now we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to keep updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the potential of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 1st of August, 2024, our system has identified SQQQ as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 6.5. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced a remarkable gain of 17.03% since we initially recommended SQQQ as a buy candidate just 3 days ago. This results in an average return of 5.68% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential decline of approximately 16.33% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 49.14% to negative 16.33%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of negative 51.90% over the next year, with a potential return between negative 72.40% and negative 43.84%. This corresponds to a price range of between $2.98 to $6.06 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for the SQQQ exchange-traded fund features the headline, Volatile Ride for SQQQ ETF Price on Monday, moving between $10.33 and $11.58. The SQQQ ETF price gained 9.1% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 5th of August, 2024, rising from $9.89 to $10.79. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to rise or takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 12.1%, with a low of $10.33 and a high of $11.58. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 33.37% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has also increased on the last day in tandem with the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 94 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day. Overall, 377 million shares changed hands for approximately $4.07 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $23.34, while the lowest price was $7.14. Currently, the price is 53.77%, or $12.55, below the 52-week high, and 98.67%, or $797.68, below the all-time high reached on March 12, 2020, when the price climbed to $808.47. The ProShares Ultra Pro Short QQQ ETF, known as SQQ, is currently capturing attention as a strategic play amid recent fluctuations in the technology sector. Following a significant sell-off in technology stocks marked by the Nasdaq 100 index's sharp decline due to mixed earnings reports from major players like Tesla and Alphabet, the SQQ has triggered interest for short-term trading strategies. As investors grapple with what many are dubbing AI fatigue, this ETF offers negative 3 times exposure to the Nasdaq, which could yield substantial returns for those correctly anticipating continued volatility in technology. Historically, SQQQ has proven to be a high-risk, high-reward instrument, particularly advantageous for short-term traders. While its tactical focus appeals during periods of downward pressure in technology stocks, long-term holding poses challenges and risks, particularly given its potential for significant erosion over time if the market trends upwards. Looking ahead, SQQQ's performance will heavily depend on the broader market's reaction to economic indicators and earnings announcements. In the short term, if the technology sector remains under pressure, SQQQ could experience upward momentum. However, sustained downturns could lead to increased trading volumes and shifts in investor sentiment. Conversely, if technology stocks regain strength, SQQQ may face downtrends, highlighting the ETF's inherently volatile nature. Investors must stay attuned to market dynamics as they navigate these turbulent waters. The following signals have been identified for SQQ. The chart today shows mostly positive signals. The SQQQ exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, which suggests a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal is evident from the relationship between these two averages, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, there will be some support at the levels of $9.44 and $8.34. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, the 10th of July, 2024, and since then, the price has increased by 50.49%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Volume is increasing in tandem with the price, which is regarded as a strong technical indicator. Here are some other signals that may capture your attention. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a buy signal 19 days ago. Bollinger indicated a buy signal 9 days ago. The short-term moving average generated a sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average presented a buy signal 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 9 days ago. When we analyze the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 15 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a buy signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 177 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SQQQ. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds just below today's level from accumulated volume at $10.02 and $9.89. There is an inherent risk when an exchange-traded fund tests a support level. If this level is breached, the fund may subsequently decline to the next support level. In this instance, SQQQ finds support at $10.02. If this is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $9.89 and $9.22. This exchange-traded fund may experience significant movement throughout the day, reflecting its volatility. With a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as high risk. Over the past day, the fund has fluctuated by $1.25 between its high and low, translating to a change of 12.10%. For the past week, it has exhibited an average daily volatility of 8.73%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SQQQ. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume as a guide for when to exit. On the downside, SQQ encounters its first support level at $10.02. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $10.41, which reflects a decline of 3.48%. This exchange-traded fund experiences significant daily fluctuations, contributing to a heightened level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 76, further amplifying this risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom that was identified 73 days ago. Is SQQQ ETF a good buy? SQQQ holds several positive signals, and despite the ETF being in a downward trend, we believe it is a solid choice at these current levels. We anticipate that SQQQ ETF will perform quite well over the next 3 months. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 6th of August, we expect SQQQ to open up 11 cents and begin trading at $10.90. We want to emphasize that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss, and it is important to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.